Hi, my name is Victor with spicegnome.com and welcome to another episode of Spice and Advice. Today we're going to make an alternative to fried chicken. Fried chicken is delicious, it's so good, but it's so high in calories and so high in fat. So what we're going to do is we're going to bake chicken that is going to come out crunchy. The crust is going to be spicy and delicious. It's going to be great. You're not going to miss the fried part at all. Well, let's start with our ingredients. So I bought 2 chicken breasts and they were huge. So I cut them in half. So we have 4 chicken breasts. We have cornflakes. That's the trick of this recipe. It cuts, instead of using flour, we're gonna be using cornflakes. It's gonna make the chicken crunchy and it's also gonna help to cut with the calories. We have garlic, salt, paprika, cayenne pepper, we have sage, oregano, and rosemary powder, and 2 eggs. We're gonna start first with crushing the cornflakes. So what we do is we put them in a 1-gallon bag, Ziploc bag. Put it, and you can use a rolling pin, you can do it with your hands, you can do it with whatever you want. And what we want to do is we want to make them small, not necessarily powder, because you want some of those pieces to, when they bake, to be crunchy. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna put all of our spices in the bag, because this is gonna be the base for our crust and our chicken. So we throw it all in. And then we're gonna close the bag and we're gonna shake it. The idea is to spread the spices all over, because what we're gonna do is we're gonna take 2 eggs and we're gonna beat them. If you don't want to use eggs, you can use buttermilk. I have even done it with half and half, and it works fine. I just like the eggs better. The crunchy parts stick to the chicken better when you use eggs. We're gonna beat them. We're not gonna put any salt or anything because all of the seasoning is gonna be with your crumbs. We're gonna cover our chicken and the eggs, just a really light coating. You're probably thinking, why is he putting them back in the plate? Because we're gonna do this the easy way. We're gonna throw them inside of the bag and cover them inside of the bag. See how big these chicken breasts are? They're huge. We open our bag and we put them in. And then you're gonna shake the crumbs all over the bag, covering your chicken. Now that we have them covered, we have the oven at 350. We're gonna go to the stove. We're gonna lightly spray our pan, and then we're gonna place the chicken breasts. Then what you do with the leftovers, you just encrust them into the chicken. And what's gonna happen is, some of it is gonna stick to it, some of it won't, but it's gonna get all crunchy and it's gonna be really, really good. The chicken is covered. We open the oven, and in the oven they go. They're gonna bake in the oven now for 30 minutes at 350 degrees. There you have it. Crunchy chicken. As you see, it's a little bit brown, it's crunchy, It's completely cooked. The smell is so good. I wish you could smell it. It's gonna be, there's gonna be a lot, you know, of the cornflakes that are gonna be loose. You just put it on your plate. Don't throw it, because that crunchy stuff, when you taste it, you're gonna be addicted to it. Crunchy chicken, it smells delicious. It's gonna, with all the spices, it's gonna bring the flavor into the chicken. It's gonna be great. You can have it with a salad, you can have it with rice, you can have it with whatever you want. If you want to go on the healthy side, go with a salad. And that's it for this episode. Thank you so much for watching. And please, if you like this video, like it, subscribe to the channel so you can receive other videos as we continue making more delicious recipes and delicious things that you want to make. And also click on the bell so you can get notifications every time we post a new video. Thank you for watching Spice and Advice. This is Victor with spiceandadvice.com. Have a great day. Okay, that's it.